guys along today for a day in my life in Bali. I think it looks different than most people probably think, because in my DMs I always get, oh, you're probably at the beach all day in beach clubs, and no, it's actually not like this. Yeah, these are my cats. I have 2 cats and I ordered chicken for them, just the best. Come, one for you, Leo. I'm heading to the gym soon for a little workout, and it's now I think 9 a.m. I've decided to eat a little bit before, and I usually order on Gojek the breakfast every single day. I have broccoli, eggs, then I have some beef, and usually they also have kale salad with oranges, which I really love, but it was not available. And then I also, guess it's very cheap, I just ordered some chicken without salt, pepper, just like cooked chicken for my cats, because it makes them very happy. And yeah, I will eat that now, and then I will head to my gym. Oh my god, he's so unimpressed. Aha, you want this? You want this? Thank you. Kasih. They are currently extending my gym, so they have a whole new factory floor now for the classes, and it's the first time I'm using it. It just opened a week ago, I think. That was exhausting. I need to shower now, and then I have a spa appointment. For the fact that I've lived here for 5 years, I took the wrong turn. Way too many times. They have so many nice treatments, but I think today I'm going for the foot massage, but I would also like to try the lymphatic massage, or what also sounds really good is the collagen glow. This looks so comfortable. I will fall asleep now. Wow, that's a full bed. Oh my god, yes. This was such a good massage, and I even fell asleep. I'm not sure if you can hear that, but I've lived in this place where I'm staying right now for 3 years, very long time. It was so quiet and peaceful over all the time in Bali, and now they've started a massive construction right in front of where I'm staying, and it's so loud. It starts in the morning, ends in the afternoon. Yeah, that's one of the downsides of living in Bali. Just worked for the last 3 hours on my phone, so I couldn't vlog, and also I think it's boring for you if I film what I do for work. I just edit videos, so I'm just sitting there editing. I've done this, and then I don't know if you can see it from my eyes, but I'm not sure if I'm getting sick or if it's a cat allergy, because I do have a cat allergy, and yes, I do have 2 cats, but I'm taking Cetirizin in Deutsch. I'm not sure what it's called in English, so I'm taking something against that. Then I'm not sure, oh, maybe I'm getting sick, or maybe what I'm also thinking, it could be from the AC. So maybe we need to change the filter. I need to message the girl who manages these apartments and then ask her if we can do this. In an hour, my boyfriend will go to the gym again, because he works in the gym that I went to this morning, and he has a class there from Muay Thai. I'm not gonna join, but I think I will go to the recovery area. And guys, we found this. We bought this in Japan randomly, and my boyfriend said he wanted to try this, but now he's bailing out. He's like, oh no, maybe not this. Maybe I'm just using the machine. I don't know. I think you should.
Maybe tomorrow.
Oh.
I need mentally ready for that.
I'm back at the same place I've been to for my coffee this morning already. I'm waiting for my best friend. We just communicated like this, that we want to go for a croissant.
Hello, how are you, my darling?
Thank you. I got home maybe maybe an hour ago and I cannot stop sneezing. My eyes are tearing up, my nose is so runny, and I think I'm getting sick. Oh, which is so sad. I just got back to Bali from all the travels and I was so excited to get back into my routine here and go work out. I was so excited to get back into a workout routine. But I think my body, see? Oh, the tears just keep running. I'm not even doing anything. I think my body needs a rest, so yeah. I'll give it a few days. I was so excited to do stuff with my boyfriend again. We haven't really spent a lot of time together the last 2 months because I was traveling so much. Where are you going?
I'll go for a ride.
Riding?
Mm-hmm.
No. Best. Can you bring me back so?
Can I get this bike back?
True.
Tomorrow, yeah? You order back so I pay.
I'm just editing this vlog right now and realized that I fell asleep and haven't filmed the ending of this vlog. I really hope you enjoyed watching. If so, then I would really appreciate a thumbs up as it supports my channel a lot. And also, if you haven't yet, then make sure to subscribe to my channel because I've actually already filmed a lot of other videos and I cannot wait to share them with you. One of them is gonna be a scuba diving experience here in Bali. I went scuba diving here for the first time in Bali in like 5 years. I've never tried it before. I just found my passion, I guess, for the underwater world in the Maldives 2 weeks ago. Because I was always scared and nervous to like try equalize the pressure on my ears underwater. But now in the Maldives I've learned that I can do it because a doctor in Germany actually told me a few years ago that I would need surgery on my nose before I even try. But in the Maldives I just gave it a gentle try and it works, which has opened up so many new doors for me to explore the underwater world, and I'm so excited. And yes, I did this last weekend in Padang Bai. I filmed the vlog for you. If you don't want to miss out, this is going to be my next video next Sunday. So make sure to subscribe to my channel and then I will hopefully see you guys in the next video. Bye!